Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can speed up videos in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a completely blank project open. I only have two pieces of imported media, which you can do just by dragging and dropping them into this here space from your computer, or you can import it from either your computer or through any of these services. But once you've imported them, you just drag it and drop it here into the timeline, and then you can start editing. And speeding up the video is really simple, since as you can see, you have this sort of toolbar at the right, which you can use for several things. Firstly, of course, to speed up a video, you need to select it in the timeline. Since it is the only available video, it is automatically selected, but if I click off it, as you can see, it is not selected. So you need to select it and make sure it is green to make sure that you can edit that. Once you've clicked it, you then go into the speed tool, as you can see here, and here you can select which speed you want. You can manually enter it, or you can use the slider and increase the speed from all the way from 0.1 speed to 16 times speed. So yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do to speed up your video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.